Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall we start the usual class?
Yes, ma'am.
Of block 10, getting clean water. Okay. So first, children, let's start with the first lesson, which is the sources of water. Yes. What are the two sources of water we have? Yes, Chetan. Chetan.
Surface of water,
Surface water.
ground water.
Very good. Please sit down. Now who will tell me? Who will tell me the examples of surface water? Yes, Ashwini.
Surface water.
Give examples for surface water. Sanju. Sastra. Seas and oceans, and only seas and oceans.
Pond,
Pond,
river,
river. Very good. Now who will tell me the groundwater? Sanju, you were telling me some examples for groundwater. Well. And only well.
and pond.
Hand pump. Very good. Very good. Sit down. Surface water and groundwater. Well, hand pump, spring. These are examples of groundwater. Whereas surface water, is it up? Are river, lake, pond, sea, ocean. Okay. Now tell me, which of these have salty water? Yes.
Sea,
Sea.
oceans,
The seas and oceans have salty water. Can we use this salty water for our day-to-day activities?
no.
No. Why?
Why? Because
Because. Why? Because. No. Because.
salty water is dirty water.
Okay. Now, which have fresh water? Pranik. Huh?
Tap water.
And yes, Kritik.
Ground water, well have fresh water.
And
Hand pump,
okay.
river,
Rivers, lakes, ponds have fresh water. Place it down. And we can use this fresh water for daily activities. Okay. Now, children, from did you know we have learned something? Who will tell me that? Yes, Chetan.
frozen water also clean.
Fresh water. And most of the fresh water is in the frozen form, like ice, very cold and very big. Okay, so that is your first lesson, children. Now let's move on to the second lesson, which is water cycle. Who will explain me the water cycle? Yes, Mama.
Rivers and lakes, for the temperature, they will get heat. After that,
High temperature or low temperature?
high temperature, they will heat. After, they will go in water vapor.
They change into water.
They will change into water vapor. They will go up. In some point, they will change into tiny droplets, and they will form a cloud. After that, the rain falls. this will be continuous like water cycle.
Very good. Sit down. Now, in this water cycle, tell me which is in the liquid state. Liquid, solid, liquids and gases we had learned, no? So, tell me what is the liquid state? Sahasra. Water is liquid state. Which one is the gaseous state? Sanju.
Balloon is gas.
Huh?
Balloon is gas.
Can you say loudly, beta?
Balloon is gases.
No. Anybody else? In the water cycle I am talking about. In the water cycle, where is the gaseous state? Which one is the gaseous state? Chetan?
Water vapor.
Water vapor. And what about the solid state? Which one is the solid state?
Now,
No. Tiny droplets, no? When it is droplets, it is liquid only, no? Which one is the solid one? Yes, Manohar.
it will melt.
What will melt? Snow we need to use.
No.
Snow. From where?
From mountains.
From mountains, okay? When the snow on the mountain melts, that melted snow, that is, it converts, when it melts, it becomes water, right? That will flow down and it forms the rivers and lakes or ponds, okay? And that from there, again, the water gets evaporated because of the sun's heat. It forms the water vapor and that will go up. It becomes tiny droplets, it forms cloud, it rains. And when it is raining on the mountains, again the water becomes solid state because on the mountains the climate is very cold. So the water becomes very frozen, that is snow. And this cycle continues. Okay, please sit down. Now this is your second lesson, children. Now moving on to the third lesson. Can you tell me the uses of water at home? Yes, Ashwini.
Brushing,
Bathing,
drinking, boiling,
and what boiling? Water we need to boil. Okay, sit down. So to say, can you tell me the uses of water in the factories or in the field, in the agriculture field? We have to water the plants, right? For that plants to grow. That means we have many uses of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, is water important, Sayadya?
Yes, ma'am. Water is important.
Very important, no? Now, can we waste that water?
No, we should not waste water.
So, what we have to do? We are not wasting. So, what we have to do? We need to save it. Save the water, no? What is the word used for saving the water?
Convert the water.
Conservation of water. What it is called?
Conservation.
Very good. Please sit down. Now, who will tell me what are the different ways we can conserve the water? Yes, please.
Harvesting.
Harvesting what?
Like is there?
No, what we need to harvest?
Water.
Which water?
Rainwater.
Say now completely.
We have to harvesting rainwater.
We should harvest the rainwater. And please sit down. Next. Yes, Chetan.
When we do wash our hands, that we should use for plants.
Can you repeat one more time?
When we
Wash our hands or wash the fruits and vegetables?
fruits and vegetables.
So what you are doing there?
We are washing fruits of that water. We are pouring to plants.
We are watering the plants. So what we are doing there? What is one word we have to use?
Water conservation. We should say water.
We are reusing the water. We are using the water for once or twice. Twice we are using. Once we are cleaning the vegetables. The next one we are watering the plants. We are using the same water for 2 times. So that is reusing. You are using it again and again, no? So reusing the water. That means we have to reuse the water. Can we say? Very good. Please sit down. And anything else we can do to conserve the water? Anybody? Sahasra. If there is a leaky pipes or taps in your house, what you can do to conserve the water? Sanju. Pranik. There are leaky pipes or taps in the house or anywhere. What we need to do? Yashashwini. Repair.
We should repair.
Loudly, please.
We should repair
Repair what?
the tap.
The leaky taps. If you have any leaky taps or pipes, we have to repair. Okay? Please sit down. So this is your third lesson. Let's go on to how to clean the water, purification of water. So children, we all know water may have some large impurities, large objects or small objects or sometimes even germs. How can you clean that water? Like for example, how we can remove. We have learned the different methods of cleaning the water. Tell me which method we can use to remove the big impurities like leads or stones, something like that. Yes, Sanju?
Body.
Huh? Huh?
Body.
No, that is different. I am talking about big impurities. Yes, Kritik?
Filtration.
Filtration is also okay. There is one more method.
Sedimentation.
And
Decantation.
so what you will do in that sedimentation and decantation process?
Keep one pot and keep one cloth and pour the dirty one.
No. Think properly, sedimentation and decantation process. You are telling me different method. Different name method. Who will tell me about sedimentation and decantation? Yes, Madhu.
Sedimentation is first we should take a glass.
Glass of water.
Glass of water and we should allow the germs to spread.
Impurities.
Impurities. That is sedimentation. In decantation, we should not disturb the impurities and take one more glass and pour it slowly. We should not disturb. That is decantation.
Very good. Please sit down. So that is sedimentation and decantation process where you will remove the large impurities. Like it might be stones or dry leaves, something like that. Now tell me how you can remove small impurities. Kritik, you were telling me something, no? Some process. What is that process called?
Keep on pot and keep on cloth.
Pour the dirty water onto it. Small impurities will be. What is that method called? Yes, Sahasra? No. Yes, Dr. Saya.
Filtration.
Which filtration?
Cloth filtration.
Cloth filtration. That is your removing the small impurities. Now we want to kill the germs. How we can kill the germs in the water? How can you kill the germs in the water? What is the first method? Sanju?
Filtration.
Germs, not the impurities. Germs.
Boiling water.
Boiling water. Boiling water is one method we can kill the germs. Please sit down. There is two more methods other than boiling. What are those? Yes, Chetan.
Chlorination.
Chlorination. What you will do in chlorination?
We should take chlorination tablet.
Chlorine tablets.
Chlorine tablet. We should pour the tablet into water.
And leave it for how many minutes?
We should leave for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. So if you leave it for 30 minutes, that chlorine tablet will kill all the germs in the water. And the last method, please see that. Who will tell me about the last one? No. Dr. Sayada, will you say what is the other method to kill the germs?
Alum.
Very good. Alum. What we need to do with the alum? What is an alum? It's a chemical. Okay, sit down, Dr. Sayada. It's a chemical where you can put that chemical into the water and that chemical will kill all the germs, and that water which we cleaned with the alum, we can use it for drinking also. Okay, am I clear with this?
Yes.
Sedimentation, decantation, boiling, chlorination. Now, can we use ocean and sea water? We can use the water from sea and ocean, but there is one process where we can separate the salt and water. What is that process? Who will tell me about that process? Yes, Anju?
We boil 50 minutes.
No. One method is there where you can separate the salt and water. What is that method? Yes.
Ma'am, take one container and fix the pipe. Keep one glass and keep salty water. Then that salty water will vapor and give fresh water.
Okay, what is that process called? Who will tell me the name of that process? Yes, Dr. Sadhu.
Purify.
No. What is that process called? Anybody? It's desalination. What Kritik told is correct. Okay? You can take the salt water, keep it in a beaker, and you need to boil it. Okay? When the boiling starts, the water starts to bubble, the water will convert into water vapor.
And that water vapor touch anything, it will be cooled down. After that it will go to the fresh water.
Yeah, the fresh water from the water vapor which converts into water is collected in another beaker. And the first beaker where we pour the salt water, that beaker will be completely filled with the salt. Okay, that process is called down. Good. That method is called desalination process. Okay. So this is your 10th block, children. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you.